setup that we got going on for the 2014 4th of July show. Got quite a while of range. We'll start over here. Sorry for the music in the background, I'm at a party. We have an angry panda that will start off along with that one over there. If you know what this does, it'll have two V-shaped shots at the same time, and they'll cross in midair. I have them staggered so they don't intersect. Then when that's done, I have timed Visco that'll lead into to Bump Bear. The same thing is on that board over there. And Q2 is right. Q2 is broken on my remote. So Q3 is follow the wire right here. It is a board of 200-gram cakes, and when it gets right here, it'll lead into some special effect ball mortars. I'll read you some of the effects. Yeah. Purple palm tree, brocade crown, golden palm tree, brocade crown, another one, and purple to silver. And Q3, no, that was Q3. Q4 is this right here. We start off with an angry panda that'll lead into 5-shot span of the guerrilla warfare tubes, and that'll go off at the same time as a bump bear, lead to a mortar and more 200-gram cakes. Q5 is in module 2. It's that board over there wired in parallel with that one right there. So they'll both start out with the bump bear, and that one will pause. That one over there will lead into a 200-gram cake. And they'll both start up. That'll have a Not in My Yard. And that'll have a Sexy Girl by Boomer. And then Q6, we have Angry Pandas, another board with a mortar. Q7 is a 500-gram board. We got Not in My Yard, United We Stand by Cutting Edge, Angry Pandas, and 2 Boomer 200-gram 16-shot cakes. And that was 7, so 8 over here we have Not in My Yard. I'll move that wire off. And then that'll go, this is a single shot surprise, we'll say. More 200-gram cakes. Then we get into the finale over here. This is Q9. Start off with a bump bear, broken heart, Boomer 16-shot cake. Then it'll go into 3 bump bears. And when that's done, it'll run into these 6 Boomer Sexy Girls 16-shot cakes. And then these are pretty fast cakes, so they'll think that's a finale. In here we have the guerrilla warfares that I've taken apart and used the tubes I sped it up a little bit. So it'll start off slow, then it'll keep on going, for about 45 seconds, and this last row right here will rip. It's the 5-shot finales that they have on there. I just took those apart and fused it along with this, so after that, people start clapping, and because they'll think that was the fake finale. This is another fake finale, and this is the real finale over here. We got all Echo in the Ear canister shells and some Excaliburs in there, and some heavyweights, if not too many of those. But with these Echo in the Ears, I did light some off last night, and the string on the top does mark the effects, but it's kind of hard to do, though. It's hard to remember what color corresponds with the effect. And then when that's done, I got a 3-inch shell down there. You can see that. I'm not sure if they want me to, if I'm gonna pull it or not. And these are 2 crackling willow shells. Let me show them to you. Crackling willow. There's 2 of them in there. Yeah, like I said, most of these are Echo in the Ear canister shells, but got 2 Qs on it, on this. And this is all 0.25 seconds meter paper fuse. This is different than big quick fuse that they have. Here's some more of those special effect mortars. Golden palm tree. That one's got a tail on it. We'll see what this one is, then I'll show you. Silver glittering. So you got some pretty cool effects on there. But everything here should make for a good show. I got some fan mortars in there, if you can see that. But should make for a decent show. Last about 10 to 15 minutes. See you in the next video.